Going live. 2 seconds. All right, everybody. Welcome again to an Ivylaw office weekly live. I am Wilberforce Adjicum. I'm an attorney at Ivylaw office, and I am talking with.
I'm Jumoke Oladapo, attorney at Ivylaw office. You're welcome, everyone.
That's right. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We'll be having a great Wednesday. Today, we have an exciting event coming up. Law firm will be presenting a live seminar on estate planning. Will be hosted by none other than our own attorney, Jumoke Oladapo. So we're going to just give you a little preview about what's to come tomorrow. And if you are anywhere in Maryland, try to make it. It's not too late to register. You can register all the way up to the event if you want to, but just come and you'll be able to get all the information you need about estate planning. And Jumoke Oladapo, attorney, will be able to also answer some of your questions there. And I think there will be some appetizers. Am I right?
Oh, sure. There's going to be food. There's going to be drinks. So you can come straight from work or take out the time in the evening to be there. 6 p.m.
Go. There you go. A lot of incentive to show up tomorrow. It's going to be fun and exciting.
And definitely also if you have kids and you don't have a babysitter, bring them along. We'll have a room for the kids to stay.
All right. Definitely no excuses. You can bring the kids too. All right. Okay, so we're just going to ask Jumoke to give us some preview information about what's coming. So first we'll ask question is, when and where is the seminar?
All right, we've given you a little information. The title of the seminar is Wills, Trust, and Appetizers. So we'll make sure we talk on those. When it's tomorrow is July 28th at 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. It's an educational and information session about estate planning. You want to know what's the differences between will and trust and a whole lot more. The venue is at Greenbelt, COP Conference Center, 6404 Ivy Lane. It's about Suite 114. Once you enter into the building, 6404, the conference room is right there by your right. We're looking forward to seeing you there if you're around Maryland, Prince George's County, Montgomery County, Howard County, Baltimore County, Charles County. You know, make it a date to Greenbelt tomorrow, 6 p.m. on Ivy Lane, 6404 Ivy Lane.
All right. There you go, 6404 Ivy Lane. Tomorrow, 6 p.m. Try to get there early if you can, so you can have space. Get room for yourself.
Space is limited, and we'll tell you about registrations and.
Okay, thank you. Now, give us a little breakdown of some of the topics that you'll be covering for the guests.
All right, so the topic is wills, trust, and appetizers. First of all, we want you to know what's a will, what's a trust, what are the types of trust you have, what is estate planning, who needs that, the difference between a will and a trust. We want you to keep your family safe and protected and your assets safe and protected so that the government does not have what you have. How do you protect your loved ones and assets through proper estate planning? Well, we want to talk about that. We want to talk about how do you minimize on estate taxes. We don't want you to put your family in a situation of conflict and court. And we're going to tell you, how do you achieve that to keep your family out of court and conflict in the event of incapacity or death? Probate, do you want it or not? We'll let you know. And there are a lot of other intricacies about estate planning because it's also about family wealth preservation. So we're going to touch on a whole lot of this. You also know how much it costs, what you can do to start one, and if you're confused about estate planning, that's a place for you to get clarification. Thank you. There's a sum of what we're going to learn about.
Wow. So that's just a tip of the iceberg. So there's plenty more when you show up, okay? Also, does one, you mentioned the will. Do you need any other documents if you already have a will for estate planning purposes?
Oh, yeah. So a will, also known as a last will and testament, is just one of the estate planning documents that you need. So yes, you will likely need more than a will. And some people say a will answers all my questions. If you hear someone, I need a will, tell them to come to an estate planning seminar tomorrow. Yes, you may need a will, but that's not the only thing you will need.
So come and find out what else you may need. Now, does one need an attorney to draft an estate plan, or is it DIY, do it yourself? Okay.
All righty. So I want you to ask yourself, is my life a simple one-size-fits-all life? My family and my assets, is it a one-size-fits-all lifestyle that I have? If that is it, then you may go online to rocketlawyer.com and LegalZoom and do a one-size-fits-all plan for yourself. But when you want to use an attorney is going to look at you, your life, your families, your nuances, your intricacies, your assets, and carve out an estate planning that is fit for you, not a DIY one. A lot of the ones you get online will not answer your questions and may not work for you when it's needed. So I hear a lot of people say, oh, I just need a simple will. You know, it's just simple from me to my child. That's all. But by the time I speak with them, I'm like, oh, it's not that simple. You know, what you're looking at, what you want is not really what a simple will do for you. So that's the question. Some people may get it done online, but because you're doing it yourself, you're not an attorney, you may not do it right. And if your life is not a one-size-fits-all life, then you want to use an attorney.
Okay. So you want boilerplate, or you want specified to your needs and the needs of your family?
Exactly.
All right. Paying a little bit more might be peace of mind for your family when things go bad. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, next, will you talk about trust at the seminar? And if so, which types of trust will you talk about?
Yeah, we're going to be talking about trust because a lot of people don't know what that is or what that will achieve. And the type of trust we'll be looking at will be revocable living trust. There are a lot of other trusts, and when you come in later to us, we'll know if other trust is fit for your family, but we'll look at something that we think everybody may need, which is a revocable living trust. And we're going to be talking more about that. And we're going to be sharing a whole lot about the advantage or disadvantage and who needs it. It's not everybody that may need it. Who is an eligible candidate to have a trust in place? Those are some of the things we'll talk about.
All right. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Now, does Ivylaw office handle probate and estate administration as well?
Oh, yeah, we do. And you know why we do? Because some people fail to plan. Yeah. If you don't have a plan in place, the state has a plan for you. And we will be there to help you. So we handle probate cases. We do estate administration. We also do trust administration. The people that have done trust administration know that it's an easy breeze for them because the plan ahead. The people that probably have a will go through probate administration, and we can help them handle it. It's just going to be a more complex process if nothing is done, or an easy process if something has been done before. So yes, we do.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, this has been a good preview. So I'm sure people are excited to show up tomorrow. I know I'll be there. Are you currently taking new clients, and how does one contact you to set up a consultation?
So yes, we are taking in new clients. New clients are welcome. And when you come to our office, you are special to us. You are ours, our client, and we treat you with 5-star excellent services. So yes, how do you reach us? If you want to be an estate planning client, or if you have any questions regarding a will or a trust, there are 2 ways around it, okay? You can call in and schedule a family wealth planning session. And when you do, we will schedule a 1.5 to 2 hour meeting with you specific to you and your family. And that's the starting point. Some other people schedule what we call a will, trust, or probate, will or probate consultation. And yes, that's another way, but just call our office, 301-276-0887, 301-276-0887, and just say, I would like to speak with an attorney about having a will or a trust or doing a estate plan. You will get you can schedule a callback appointment, or just schedule to have a strategy session, and we'll take it up from there. You can also go online and get more information at ivylaw.office.com.
So you have everything you need, everybody. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I'm going to post the information you need and the link to register on the description of this YouTube video. So please look for that, and just click and go register. And we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Okay? And I'm Force Ajikum. We'll see you next week. Okay?
Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day. See you tomorrow at the live seminar, 6404 Ivy Lane, COP Conference Center at 6 p.m. Have a good day.
All right. Bye.